Hello everyone, this is my review of the Cole and Mason Berden carving board. Carved from sustainably sourced acacia wood, each board shows a unique grain pattern and is pre-seasoned with food-safe oil for extra durability. The size is impressive at 18.5 by 13.5 inches. It easily handles large roasts and whole birds. The deep juice grooves drain into a well with a convenient pouring spout, so my countertops stay clean. I also appreciate that it's reversible. One side has juice channels, and the other is a smooth surface perfect for chopping or serving cheese and charcuterie. A few things to note. Hand wash only, never use the dishwasher to maintain with integrity and finish. Relatively large and heavy, about 4.6 pounds, so it needs proper storage space. If you enjoy carving roasts or want a stylish multi-purpose board that handles juices cleanly and looks great on the table, this Berden carving board is a premium, reliable pick. I highly recommend it, and I hope this review helps.